My name is Eric Bland, just out here in Pontiac, Michigan, giving back to the community and just absolutely the stories that are behind the people that are coming up. And
I'm going to show you how great I am.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Everybody, my name is Eric Bland, and we're just out here giving back to the community. We just gave probably 3 other boxes away, including the stuff that came from the Trade Center. So we really thank the Trade Center for coming out as well. The hats and gloves went very, very fast, really quickly here. But we got a couple more boxes of stuff in here that we're giving back to the community. It's just an awesome thing that we are able to do, to give back every single year, and it's just such a blessing. There was story after story of people just needing gloves and hats, and it is freezing out here, you guys. So we just want to give back to community, and I just love being able to say, hey, here's a free pair of gloves, and people aren't taking them because they feel like that maybe somebody else could use them more than they could. So what a blessing it is to be out here.
Services all day, man. Thank you to the community. Hats, gloves, clean the windows, overall great guy, man.
Hey, thank you, man. We
Yeah,
appreciate it
man.
very
Merry
much.
Christmas, man.
Merry Christmas to you.
Too, man.
We appreciate everything, man.
All right,
Thank
man.
you so
Thanks.
very much. You guys have a great Christmas.
You too, man.
All right, later, bud.